Welcome to Bestusefultips. I will show you how to create cinematic wallpaper in Android 14. Tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap on a wallpaper and style. Now tap on a more wallpapers. Here you can see available wallpapers. Different category wallpaper. To choose a wallpaper, tap on a my photos. Here you can choose your desired photo from your phone gallery. Select any option. Here we select this. Now tap any photo you want to create cinematic wallpaper. You can see the sparkle icon when any photo supported cinematic wallpapers like this. If a photo not supported sparkle icon, you can't see the sparkle icon on your device. So go back and find the photo. Here we select this. Now you can see the sparkle icon. Tap on it. Now toggle on the create a cinematic wallpaper. It will add 3D and motion effect to this photo. Just toggle on it. Now wait until automatically create. Now you can see the cinematic wallpaper with 3D effect. Now how it looks on your home screen and lock screen. Tap on a set wallpaper at top right. Choose home and lock screen. Here we select home and lock screen. Now we apply successfully. Now go to home. Now lock your phone, unlock it, and you can see the effect of 3D on your wallpaper. So it's quite useful feature. Very now you can see the effect. So select your desired photo and set a cinematic wallpaper on your pixel 8 or other Android 14. That's it. If you like it, share it.